Hi everybody, mark your calendar for the fall season. It's a great time to grow vegetables because they are fast growing and don't need a lot of attention. For eating and fast harvest, come with me please. We are going to talk about some veggies you can grow in 10 to 30 days at home in pot as well as garden. The fastest crop you're ever going to get are microgreens. Microgreens take around 1 to 3 weeks to grow, basically just growing plants then harvesting them. It's the same seed that you use to grow a plant to its full form, and you plant them very densely along a thread. The fastest crop, like such as basil or chia, are really favorite crops to grow for microgreens, as well as growing them in pot. The leaves and stem of microgreen can be eaten. Chop them up, put them into a salad or soup. Microgreens are packed full of vitamins and minerals compared to fully grown crops. They contain 4 to 40 times the nutrients. Another plant is lettuce. Lettuce likes cool and damp conditions, but the seeds prefer to germinate when the air temperature is around 70 Fahrenheit degree. Lettuce also mature quickly. Day to harvest depending on the lettuce variety is 25 days for baby leaf and 60 days for full head. Those marketed as baby leaf lettuce can give you the fastest harvest of all. 4 to 5 days after planting, spinach seeds start to germinate. Spinach needs just 4 to 6 weeks to be salad ready. If you leave about 1 inch of land when you cut your leaves, it will very likely continue producing and give you more delicious leaves. Spinach is also known to become incredibly sweet in flavor after a light frost. Days to harvest is 25 days for baby leaves and 35 to 45 days for mature leaves. Spinach does well in the cooler, less sunny days of fall. Most types of spinach are fast growers. Large leaf varieties are known to grow quickly. Another fast grower vegetable that is perfectly suited for fall is Arugula rocket. People use for its fresh, tart, bitter, and peppery flavor. When grown in spring, a sudden warmth can make it easily bolt. Yet the cool days of fall not only prevent bolting, but also bring out the best flavor of this fast-growing crop. Like other leafy green, pinch of individual Arugula leaf as you need them, ready for salads, soup, pasta, and more. You will be able to enjoy fresh peas in fall. Peas in pot using a good kind of compost. In just 7 to 8 weeks, peas will be ready to harvest. Microgreens can be eaten in less than 10 days. Peas enjoy cool weather that makes them the perfect container plant for fall. Some vegetables like red radish, turnip, and beets are used as green part as well as root. Red radish plants are ready to harvest in as little as 25 days. Red radish is very easy and fun to grow in pot. Grow them directly from seed. You can check the link. Smaller tender salad turnip will be ready to harvest much sooner than large varieties. Days to harvest is 25 to 30 days for turnip greens and 30 to 75 days for mature roots. Turnips grow much like radishes. Beets are very easy to grow, like other vegetables that I show in this video. Days to harvest is 25 to 30 days for beet green and 55 to 65 days for mature roots. The youngest tender beet greens are wonderful fresh in green salad. Use the cut and come again method to remove a few leaves at a time, or harvest the full lot when frost is near. Other some fast growing vegetable for fall is pak choy and kale. Please drop a comment if you know more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.